In one of our earlier videos, we discussed that all the properties and methods that are defined are local to this particular div. So we can have another one of this div like this, and if we check, the count and the click properties are different for both of these divs. So they are independent of each other. However, now if uh, we see that all this code is repeating for this div as well as for this div. So Alpine.js it provides a solution for it. What we can do is we are going to have a script tag, and within this script tag I'm going to define a method. Let's call it counter, and this method would return all the properties and methods which are defined over here. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste over here. Let us just format it like this, and now what we can do is we can replace all this x data and replace it with the name of the method, which is counter. We can do the same thing over here, and if we check, we will see that our code is still working fine. Both the divs are independent of each other. However, now all of our code logic is encapsulated in the method, which helps us to avoid any duplicate code. Now, even though we use this xdata method over here, because this div was present 2 times, we can also use it even if the div is not repeating. So what we can do is, if I remove it, if we remove this div, we can still continue using the xdata counter method, because it helps us to make sure that our HTML is clean and our JavaScript logic is encapsulated in a method. So this is a common technique that is followed.